Hi, my name is Amanda Hamilton, and today we are going to be doing a hunting themed cake for all you sportsmen out there and wives and girlfriends of sportsmen or mothers of sportsmen. My husband is a very avid hunter, which you know, he and I kind of worked out a long time ago. I don't care if he does it as long as everything comes back in unidentifiable white packages. So this cake I kind of designed with him in mind. So let's get started. Let me tell you what you're going to need. So first we have a 6 and an 8-inch round, and I have already covered them with white fondant. This got a little beat up in the car. Don't worry about that so much. We're going to be painting the whole thing, so you won't even notice kind of the imperfections in your fondant. I have some black and some orange fondant today. Now, if you'll notice, both of these products are Fondex. It's just my preferred brand, but you can use whatever you like. You just want to make sure you have a very bright, kind of vibrant hunter's orange for this project. We have our template, which has both of our deer and our ducks, or as the cameraman seems to think, our geese. But these are just our silhouettes we're going to be putting on the cake, and we will of course be including that with our demo. We have some cornstarch and some vegetable shortening, and that's just for making working with our fondant a little bit easier. I have some Tylose glue, which is essentially just water with Tylose powder added to it until it's very kind of thick, and best word I can come up with is slimy, but you just want to add your Tylose powder until you've got kind of a nice thick glue. We have some clear vanilla with an eyedropper, and this we will be mixing with our gold powder to make gold paint for our shotgun shells. We have a variety of tools right here. We have a rotary cutter, a small fondant rolling pin, a paring knife, an X-Acto or craft knife. I have a variety of small brushes. Now what we're going to be doing today is painting a camouflage. And we want it to look more like the real tree camouflage that's become more popular with hunters versus kind of the traditional camouflage. So that we will be getting that technique done with painting. So I just have a wide variety here from a 1/4 inch flat down to a small filbert. And you can basically just use whatever you have on hand. I have a veining tool, a pair of small sharp scissors, a ribbon cutter, some 24 karat edible gold powder, forest green gel color, buckeye brown gel color, leaf green, lemon yellow, and some sunset orange. I also have a small ramekin, which is filled with water, or I will be filling with water, and that will be used first for construction purposes and then for our painting. And finally, I just have a nice white plate. I'm going to be using this as my palette, so if you have an artist palette, of course use that, but I find that nothing works better for these gel colors like a nice white plate. So now that you know everything you're going to need, let's get started.